Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Stripe and Paddle, two popular payment platforms. So Stripe is a powerful payment processing platform that supports businesses of all sizes with online payments, subscription billing, and financial management, offering a wide range of APIs and developer tools. While Paddle is an all-in-one platform designed for SaaS companies, providing payment processing, subscription management, and compliance tool with a focus on handling taxes and billing complexities. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to create an account on Stripe and Paddle, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So let's go first to the payment methods. So when we talk about Stripe, they have credit and debit cards, ACH, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Alipay, and also WeChat Pay. While Paddle, they also offers credit and debit cards payment methods, PayPal, and wire transfers. For subscription management, Stripe have advanced subscription management with customization options, while Paddle they have a built-in subscription management and billing. For tax handling, Stripe requires separate integration for tax calculation, while Paddle they handles global taxes such as VAT, GST, etc., and they handle it automatically. And for invoicing, Stripe they have customizable invoice with payment links, while Paddle they have automated invoicing with tax compliance. And for the currency support, Stripe supports over 135 currencies globally, while Paddle they supports multi currency payments with global tax handling. For platform integration, Stripe have extensive API and integration options for developers, while Paddle they have comprehensive API with easy SaaS integration. For fraud prevention, Stripe have advanced fraud detection with radar, while Paddle they have fraud prevention built in, suitable for SaaS businesses. Lastly, for reporting and analytics, Stripe have detailed custom reports and real-time analytics, while Paddle offers standard SaaS reporting and revenue analytics. So that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go directly to the pricing. So for transaction fees, Stripe offers 2.9% plus $0.3 per successful transaction in the US, while Paddle they offer 5% plus $0.5 per successful transaction. For international fees, Stripe they requires additional 1% for international cards payment, while Paddle they have no extra fees for global transaction. For currency conversion fees, Stripe have 1% additional fee for currency conversion, while Paddle they have no currency conversion fees. Lastly, for subscription handling fees, Stripe they have no handling fees per subscription, while Paddle they have a built-in payment into transaction fees. So that's it for the simple pricing comparison. Now let's go directly to performance. For the global reach, so as I said earlier, Stripe supports 35 plus countries with comprehensive payment options, while Paddle they supports over 200 countries with localized features. When it comes to ease of integration, Stripe is very developer friendly and they have customizable API, while Paddle they have simplified API tailored for SaaS businesses. And for the speed of payout, Stripe they have 2 to 7 days and depending on country and payment method, while Paddle typically the speed of their payout is typically 1 to 3 business days. So for tax compliance, so Stripe requires a third-party integration for full tax compliance, while Paddle they have a built-in and automatic global tax handling. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer support. So when it comes to availability, Stripe is available 24/7 through email, chat, and phone, and they support it. While Paddle, same thing 24/7 only on email and chat support. For documentation, Stripe have extensive developer focused documents and resources, while Paddle they have comprehensive documents with a SaaS examples. For onboarding assistance, Stripe have limited onboarding assistance, while Paddle they have SaaS focused on onboarding and account setup. Lastly, for community support, Stripe have large community forums and user groups, while Paddle they are smaller but they have active community. So that's it for the customer support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support. So now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start by discussing Stripe pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Stripe have extensive integration options and flexible APIs, make it ideal for businesses that require customized payment solution. They also supports a wide range of payment methods globally, including ACH, credit cards, and alternative methods like Apple Pay and Alipay. They have advanced fraud detection tools such as Radar, enhance security, and help prevent fraudulent transactions. Lastly, they have detailed reporting and analytics that provides real-time insights into revenue, payment activity, and customer behavior, which are useful for optimization. When it comes to cons, Stripe Global Tax Handling requires separate integration, which can complicate compliance in different regions, especially for SaaS businesses operating globally. They have high fees for international transaction and currency conversion, and it can add up for businesses with global operation. And also, they lack built-in subscription management, requiring a third-party tools for advanced subscription-based services. Lastly, dispute fees can become costly, especially in high volume sales environments where chargebacks may occur more frequently. So that's it for the Stripe pros and cons. So now let's go directly to Paddle pros and cons. For the pros, Paddle they have a built-in tax compliance for VAT and GST and other global tax that makes it a simpler choice for SaaS companies with a global customer base. They have streamlined subscription management and recurring billing system designed specifically for SaaS businesses to reduce the need for external tools. They have lower international fees and no currency conversion costs, making it a more cost effective for businesses with customers in multiple countries. Well, lastly, they handles invoicing, payments, and fraud prevention in a single platform, making it easy for SaaS companies to manage their entire payment infrastructure. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Paddle have fewer customization options compared to Stripe, which may not be ideal for businesses with unique payment process needs. Their transaction are higher than Stripe, especially for low margin businesses, and they are more focused on SaaS. So business outside this industry may not find all its features relevant, and the smaller support community compared to Stripe may make it harder to find quick solution for more complex issues. So that's it for the paddles pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Stripe. So Stripe is preferable for someone who prefers a highly customizable platform with extensive APIs and integration options for payments. Someone who runs a business that requires diverse payment options including ACH, credit cards, and global alternatives like Alipay. Someone who needs advanced fraud protection tools, especially for high risk or high volume transaction. And lastly, someone who wants detailed analytics and reporting to optimize payment and processing and customer behavior insights. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Stripe is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Paddle, Paddle is referable for someone who runs an SaaS or software businesses and needs a platform specifically designed for subscription management and global tax handling. Someone who prefers an all-in-one solution for payments, tax, and fraud prevention, reducing reliance on external tools. Someone who operates globally and needs seamless multi-currency transactions without added currency conversion fees. And lastly, someone who needs an easy setup and minimal development work, especially when scaling internationally. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Paddle is the choice for you. And that's it. So, in conclusion, it's clear that both platforms cater to different types of businesses. Stripe is ideal for companies that needs flexibility, advanced integration, and extensive payment options. And on the other hand, Paddle is tailored for SaaS businesses, providing a streamlined solution with built-in subscription management and tax compliance features. Ultimately, the choice between Stripe and Paddles comes down to your specific business needs. So you need to evaluate your business requirements and decide which platforms aligns with your growth strategy. So whether you choose Stripe for its customization or Paddle for its SaaS specialization, both platforms offer excellent solutions for growing your business. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.